Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I've always enjoyed going out to restaurants. I like the old experience. Dressing up, relaxing with a nice bottle of wine, having someone cooking and serving you, trying new dishes, and no cleaning after dinner. Yes! A few years ago, I went to a quaint bistro by the ocean and tried these mollusks a new way. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my mussels in curry sauce. What a delicious recipe to enjoy this seafood. The sauce is spectacular. It's very flavorful, but doesn't take away the nice taste of the mussels. This is definitely a great way to cook them. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large pot over medium heat, we'll add butter. And when it starts sizzling, we'll add shallots and curry powder. We'll stir the ingredients for 1 minute. To this, we'll add minced ginger and pressed garlic. We'll saute them as well for 1 minute. Next, we'll pour in some heavy cream, dry white wine, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll combine the ingredients and bring it to a simmer before adding some cooking sherry, which will add a nice flavor to the sauce. We'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll give a quick stir and then add the star of the dish, the mussels. We'll evenly distribute them so they're all coated with the sauce. Cover, increase the heat to medium-high, and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. When time is up, we'll transfer the shellfish into warm serving bowls using a slaughter spoon. If there are any that didn't open, we'll simply discard them. Now, back to the sauce. We'll taste and adjust if it needs it. My salt was fine, but I needed more pepper. So we'll let the sauce cook for 5 minutes before spooning it over the cooked mussels. And I suggest you're generous with it, so you can dip your bread in the sauce. We'll garnish with some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is how mussels in curry sauce. What a great recipe for this shellfish. It's certainly different, but it's a great combination of ingredients that complements this seafood. Without the sauce overpowering the delicate taste of the mussels, this is a delicious new way to enjoy them. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!